Hi everyone, I'm back. Now it's onions. Onion, onion,
Next
onion.
is,
What is next, Ate Hasmin?
what's this?
Tomato.
Tomato. It's tomato. No, it's tomato.
And now we're mix. Onion. Tomato. Yes, look at that. All to the middle because that's where all... Ikaw ang maghawak. Ang
Ay,
sakit.
ako, ngalay ako.
Nangalay rin ako eh.
Dapat kukuha tayo pala ng ano, no? Ano?
Wait lang. Then, Ate Hasmin! Everyone, ikaw na maghawak konti.
Mahal, kailangan namin ng nahawak ng phone.
Yum, yum! Yan lahat. Go to the center. Cooking. Now, last
This is?
garlic. I forgot. I get confused. Garlic time. Whoops. Up and down. This, I think we're gonna do it burned. Yum! I'm actually focused on the food, not the food. I hope
Okay na.
that it's done. I think so. Now it's time for chicken. Why? No. Yes. Chicken. Oh my gosh. Stop. Stop. It's too much. It's filling the pan. I think this is pan. I never cooked chicken in my life. Yan, let's go
Hayaan mo
everyone.
lang, Julia. Huwag mong haluin ng haluin. Hayaan mo lang. Hayaan mo lang ganyan yan.
Like this. Muna. With a bowl. Then take it off.
Julia, huwag mong haluin ng haluin.
So,
Hayaan
spatula.
mo siya magmamantika. Hayaan mo lang siya magmamantika. Halika dito, mamaya.